Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable forced auto update on the Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Software Update. Tap on the result that says Software Update. Once you're inside, look for an option that says Auto Download over Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, this option is turned on, which means your phone will download updates automatically whenever it's connected to Wi-Fi. Just tap it to turn it off. Step 4. Now, let's take it a step further. Go back to the search bar in Settings and type Auto Update System. If you don't see this option, you'll first need to enable Developer Options. Here's how to do that. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information. Find the option called Build Number. Tap it 7 times until you see a message that says, Developer Mode has been turned on. You may need to enter your PIN or password to activate this feature instantly. Step 5. For the last and most important step, now go back to Settings and search again for Auto Update System. You should now see the option. If it's turned on, just toggle it off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.